Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up recurring buy on crypto.com. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application, and then you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. Over here, you are going to see this fourth option of recurring buy. So if you tap on this option, you will be landed on this page where it will show you that you can set up your crypto purchases weekly, bi-weekly or even monthly. So you will have to tap on setup recurring buy in the bottom, and then it will show you all of the cryptos that are available on crypto.com. So you just have to select that particular crypto on which you want to set up the recurring buy option. Let's say I want to do it on Uniswap, so I'll simply use the search bar and I'll simply search for Uniswap and tap on Uniswap. Now over here in this section, you will have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Then in the frequency, you will have to tap on frequency and select it as daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. For this video, I'm going to keep it as bi-weekly and confirm. Then you will have to tap on repeat on section and you will have to select the day on which you want to activate this buying. After that, you will have to tap on pay with and you will have to select the payment method. If you want to add your credit or debit card, then you will have to tap on add credit or debit card option, and then you need to provide your card number, its expiration date, CVV, your first name, last name, and then tap on the add card option. Now once your card is added successfully, you are going to see your card details in this section, and then you need to just check these boxes and press the confirm button in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily set up recurring buy on crypto.com. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.